Welcome students, how are you all today? Yeah, well done dears, I hope you are all doing so great. I had seen your answer sheet for ACA 1 examination. Most of the students had done better, but few students had made a little mistakes. Using this video, you can rectify your mistakes. Okay, let's see the go through session. It has first Roman letter is multiple choice questions. You know very well how to do this Roman letter. It's also like choose the best answer. Every question having four options. We should find out which is most similar or most related to the question, right? Yeah, we just choose the correct answer from the options. Let's see the first question. Dash has all the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are called vowels, right? So we just clarify which word has five vowels. Yeah, first word learning. Is this word is correct? It has all the vowels? No, it has A, E, I, three vowels only. Next, jump to the next option. B, education. Yeah, is this word correct? Yeah, let's verify. It has A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, five vowels are here. So maybe that is correct answer. But even we just clarify the other options. Information. Is this word has all the vowels? It has A, I, O. Three vowels only. Next option is circulation. Is this word correct? No. This word has A, I, O, U. Four vowels only. But education has five vowels. So the correct answer is education. Right? Yeah, okay, dears. Second question. Can we say dash instead of good morning? Yeah, let's see. The options are rise and shine, sunset, backy, slept. Which one we can use instead of good morning? Yeah, we will use rise and shine instead of good morning because it's more similar to the good morning word, right? Yeah, next option is sunset. It's totally different from good morning, right? It good morning is about dawn, but it is evening. Evening time only sun will be set, right? So it's opposite. Then baggy. Baggy means nothing, but it is square. It's means square shaped wooden piece. That is the meaning of baggy. Then slept. Slept means past tense of sleep. So we won't sleep in the morning time, right? Yeah, so the right answer is rise and shine. Hereafter you can say rise and shine instead of good morning. Okay, let's see the third question. He is cleverer dash me. Yeah, do you judge what the degree of it? Yeah, this is comparative degree. So how can we find out? Yeah, using the word cleverer, right? So this is comparative degree. So comparative degree means what we have to use? Yeah, definitely we will use than, right? Even options are to, on, than, in. Which one is right answer? Yeah, than, because it is comparative degree, right? Yeah, okay, dears. Next, fourth one. Whose marriage was that great joy in Nina's house? Yeah, options are Nina, Nina's auntie, Nina's uncle? None. Yeah, we know very well. Nina's auntie's marriage was great joy in Nina's house, right? Yeah, that's why they need to shift their house from Delhi, right? Yeah, so the answer is Nina's auntie. Next, fifth question is dash not synonym of remove. Yeah, here you have to listen carefully. Here I gave a question not synonym of remove. Not synonym means, yeah, not synonym means antonym. Antonym of remove. Yeah, let's see the options. Separate, take out, insert, exclude. Yeah, separate means it's opposite of remove, right? No, that is synonym of remove, right? Yeah, next option is take out. Take out means we just eliminate something, right? That is also synonym of remove. Next option is insert. Yeah, what is meaning of insert? Yeah, it is opposite of eliminate, opposite of remove, right? We just include something. That is the meaning of insert, right? Yeah, so the insert is right answer. Even we just clarify the another options as well. Exclude. Yeah, exclude means it is synonym of remove, right? But if the options include, it is the antonym of remove, so that is exclude, so the answer is insert. Okay, let's see the second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with the opposite word given in the brackets. Okay, yeah, what we have to do, we have to give opposite words given in the bracket. Yeah, we just watch what the word inside the brackets. Okay, first word is hated. Let's see. Sana dash her sister very much. If we add the same meaning, Sana hated her sister very much. We have hated the word, we just write the opposite word of hate. Hate opposite word is loud, so the answer is loud. Next, the story has a perfect end. That is the question. We have to give opposite word of end. What is opposite word of end? Yeah, start, beginning, opening, right? Yeah, we can write opening here, beginning, likewise. The story has perfect opening, perfect start. This is correct. Eighth one is all set, please push the door. Yeah, here push, we just give the opposite word of push. What is the opposite word of push? Yeah, pull. That is opposite word of push, so we just fill in the blanks with pull. So all set, please pull the door. Okay, next ninth one is the delicate shape of hair, slender neck. Yeah, slender means very slim, thin, thin, right? Thin neck. But we have to give the opposite word of slender. So the opposite word of slender is fat. Fat, very thick. Thick neck is also right. Tenth one is he lay face downwards on his bed. Yeah, downwards. Downwards opposite word is upward, so the answer is upwards. Okay, let's see the third Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with the proper form, comparative or superlative of adjective. Okay, in this Roman letter, questions taken from degrees of comparison lessened, right? Yeah. 11th one is Delhi is dash than Chennai. Yeah, we have to choose. This is comparative degree or superlative degree, right? Yeah, here the sentence has than. So when we get than, that is comparative degree. So we have to change hot to comparative degree. What the word of comparative degree of hot? Hot comparative degree word is hotter. So the answer is hotter. Delhi is hotter than Chennai. Next, Kavita is dash girl in the class. Yeah, good girl in the class. Yeah, is this comparative degree? Comparative degree or positive degrees? No, that is superlative degree, right? Yeah, how can we judge that is superlative degree? Because this sentence has the, right? Yeah, then it is compare with more things, more people. So we know that is superlative degree. Yeah, what is the superlative degree form of good? Yeah, superlative is best. Superlative degree of good is best. So the answer is best. Kavita is the best girl in the class. Next, 13. Ranjana is tall than her sister. Yeah, this is comparative degree. So we just change taller, right? Yeah, because we have than here, that's why we just change into comparative degree. So comparative degree of tall is dollar. That is answer. Next, 14th one, the weather is summer is even bad than last summer. Yeah, it is also than, but we know very well comparative degree, mostly comparative degree forms are having er, hotter, taller, shorter, smaller, but some irregular forms also will become some sentence. Okay, so we just know what is the comparative degree form of bad. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, worse is comparative degree form of bad. So the answer is was. Then who is dash woman on the earth? Who is there? That is superlative degree. So we just change rich into richest. Who is the richest woman on the earth? Okay, did you understand? Yeah, okay, dears. Next, fourth Roman letter. Make the sentence on the birds using following words. First word is nest. What we have to do here? Yeah, we have to make sentence using nest as well as it's related to the birds. Okay. So first word is nest. Every bird likes its own nest. Its own nest. That is one sentence. Another sentence example for you. The cuckoo lays her egg in another bird's nest. Right? Did you like it? Yeah, even you can make lot of sentence using nest. Okay, that is up to you. Okay, but it must be right and related with birds. Next word is fly. An eagle can fly faster or slower by changing the position of its wings. Okay, Next, petals. Birds like to eat petals. Next word is water. Birds need fresh, clean water for drinking and bathing. Next word is wings. The wings gave the birds the ability to fly and creating lift. Okay. Not only this sentence is right for this question, you can make more sentence or different sentence for using the words. Okay, for fifth Roman letter is fill in the blanks using plural of the given word. First 21 is the two city were linked by a bridge. Yeah, what we have to do here, we have to give the plural form of city. Yeah, what is plural form of city? Cities. That is the right spelling. Somebody's wrote a wrong spelling, like CITES or YIES. Likewise, somebody's wrote in your answer sheet. You have to rectify your mistakes. Okay. Next, 22. The children were having fun chasing each other's shadows. Yeah, here as well, most of the students wrote ES with W. So we just add yes only. Okay. Shadows, that is the right spelling of shadows. Next, you stole my ideas and didn't give me any credit. Here we give the plural word of idea. That is the right spelling. Okay, ideas. Next, I cannot believe you allow your dogs to climb all over seats while you are driving. Yeah, here somebody is shared with me, that is make me confusion. Likewise, you could have complete the fillings, complete the blanks using dogs and seats. Okay, that is the right spelling of that. You just clarify that. Okay. Sixth Roman letter is unscramble letters to form meaningful word. Yeah, that is I think you can enjoyable do this work, right? Yeah, that is funniest and more enjoyable task for you. Here some words are unscrambled, like uh, like flowers spelling is this is, but it has some unscrambled. Okay, you have to find out what the meaningful word hide in the space, right? We have to find out what the meaningful word hide in the word. Likewise, we could have find out. The answer is, first one is flowers, then smile, third one is little and slowly, final one is acorn. It's also related with your book syllable lessons, right? Yeah, okay dear. Next, seventh one, write correct homophone. Yeah, homophone means it has same sounds but spelling and meaning is different. That's called homophones. Okay, next class or next year I will teach homonyms. Okay, it's also similar with it, but so homonyms means it has same sounds and spelling different meaning is different. That is homonym. Homophone means it has same sound but it has different spelling and different meaning. Okay, first 30 is, my uncle was asked to sell all his furniture. Here the sell. Yeah, here listen carefully. How we will pronounce it? Sell. The same sound, but the spelling is different and the meaning is different. So which word will be come here? Yeah, this word SELL. My uncle was asked to sell all his furniture. Okay, next 31. There was a sharp rise in the price of gold. Yeah, it's also the same sounds, rise, but we have to choose which rice is right. Okay, first this rice is food, eating food, it indicates eating food, but this rice is indicate upwards or highest. Likewise it will be give meaning. So the answer is this rice. Next one is, I purchased for 3 pairs of shoes for my upcoming vacation. Which for here? Yeah, that one is. Next, the knight is on his way to castle, but traveling at the night is very dangerous. Yeah, that is the same sound, but the spelling and meaning is totally different. Yeah, this knight meaning is soldier. Okay, this is night time. Okay, after evening time, night time, dark time is called night. So this night come first, then this night come after. Okay, let's see the next Roman letter. Complete the sentence with the article. Yeah, you know very well where you have to use a, an, and the, right? Yeah, let's see. John is looking at the yellow map. Here we have to add the before yellow map. My father is an honest person, right? That is not a honest person, that is honest person. Okay, that is vowel sound. Vowel sound means we have to add an. Next, I think the man over there is very ill. Yeah, where we have to use the when we have superlative degree and where we have to get second time of the portion, that time we can use the. Another one is which kind of things we make surety, that time we will use the. Okay, next, Harold is upset, he is having an argument. Yeah, that is vowel sound. The beginning sound is vowel, so we have to add and here. Next, Dave is listening to a song in his car. Yeah, yes, song, that is consonant sound, so we just want to add a here. Next, ninth Roman letter, correct odd one out. Yeah, what is the meaning of this Roman letter is, here the questions having lot of words, we should read the word and understand, and we have to point out which one is different from the other words. So the rest of the words having the same content, or it's almost related, but only one word is totally different from the words. We have to point out what is that. Here, garden, magic, flower, gardener. Yeah, garden and flower and gardener, these words are related. right? But the magic is different from these words, right? So the answer is magic. Next, 40, beans, potato, chicken, radish. Yeah, which one is unmatched? Yeah, chicken. Because beans, potatoes, radish are vegetables. Chicken is not like that. Chicken is non-vegetable, right? That's why we just picked out the answer is chicken. Next, 41, hand wing style peaks. Wing style peaks are related with birds. It's also having a relation to the birds. But hand is totally different from these words, right? That's why hand is right answer. Next, 10th one. Write synonym of the following words. Wake up. Wake up synonym words are awake, get up. Okay. Students, you could have known the synonym words of wake up, funny, slender, creeping, and little. If 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 did you watch the videos, definitely you can give the right answer for this Roman letter. Okay. Yeah, next we have to give synonym word of funny, hilarious, amusing, humorous. Okay. For 44, slender. Slender synonym words are slim, thin, creeping. Creeping means traveling or slow footed, that's called creeping. Next, little. Little synonym words are small, tiny. Next, write rhyming words. We have to give rhyming words for each words. First one is thin. Thin's rhyming words are bin, pin, sin, thin. These kind of words, rhyming words of thin. Not only win, pin, sin, thin, we can write more rhyming words for thin. Next, no. No's rhyming words are throw, grow, grow, right? Throw, grow, crow. Bees rhyming words are peace, squeeze, freeze. Ending sounds are same. That's called rhyming words. Next, day, way, stay, bay. Pay, play. Okay, way, stay, play, bay, like that. Hey. Next, wings. Wings, brings, clings. Okay, let's see the next two Roman letter. 10th one is add. Add er or r to doing word below to make a new words. Yeah, we have to add er or r. But if we are add or instead of er, it will make meaningless words, right? If we add er instead of r, it's also making meaningless word. So we just having careful to fill it. Okay. Fight, fighter. Dance, dancer. Ride, rider. Joke, joker. See, that is the right adding word. Next, write short answers. 56. What are the three things that people cannot do? Yeah, what are the things? Mainly, we cannot fly, we cannot sit on the wires, and we cannot get feathers and wings. That is the most three things that people cannot do. Even you can write more things that people cannot do. That is also right. Next, why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry. No one remained at home. Yeah, that is the answer of this question. What sound could hear What sound could the children hear in the garden? This this question is come from the Magic Garden lesson. If you read the Magic Garden lesson, you could have write the answer for this question. Yeah, the answer is the children could hear the fairies songs in the garden. Fairies sing songs in the garden. Next, 59. Where don't we use article the? Yeah, generally articles are not used before countries, states, cities, towns, continents, single lakes, or single mountains. Here we don't want to use article, especially that. Okay, let's see the another question. We should write detailed answer for this question, that is option question. You can write which one is your favorite tree, why, write about it. Or you can choose, you could have choose how can you help the birds and how to protect it. Yeah, first question, which one is your favorite tree, why, write about it. You could have write by own, it's up to you. For somebody's like mango trees, somebody's like a coconut tree and a plantain tree, likewise whatever you can share the answer for this question. And 61, that is option question. Okay, you can choose whether the second question or first question. Next, how can you help the birds and how to protect it. The answers are we should minimize the use of cell phones as much as we can. Yeah, what the meaning of from this sentence, we just minimize the usage of cell phones as much as we can. Okay, we just avoid to use the cell phones more time. Okay, we should the sorry, this is a repeated question answer, this is repeated answer. Next, do not purchase birds as a decoration piece for your home. Yeah, I had seen in the market most of the people like the parrot cage or a decorated bird's cage, but it's not good for birds. Okay, if you purchased lot of birds cage, they will hunting, they will catch the birds, right? So we don't purchase birds as a decoration piece for our home. Next, we can make bad bird feeder in our backyard, and we can give some foods for birds. Definitely, if you make or if you give bird feeder in your backyard, definitely birds will be come and eat it. We can get pleasure from these kind of activities. Okay, you have to do it. Okay, next, stop hunting birds. Yeah, it's definitely it's made by human being. Yeah, we only hunting birds, right? So we just stop hunting birds. That these kind of activities will help birds. Okay, and it indicates how to protect it. Okay, I hope you are get the answers for every questions. Okay, you can write assignment using this video. Okay, dears, thank you, bye, stay safe.